If she knew your scent and then you used a different soap for that day and tried out a new cologne, she would still know you as your exact same color. In addition to talking about everything he's learned about scent trailing dogs over the years, we talked about the best mental model for even understanding how Zinka's brain works. Because one way to think about it is everywhere you go, you leave behind a trail of scent molecules. In fact, it doesn't matter if you're walking or even standing still, you shed 40,000 dead skin cells into the air every minute. So to a dog's nose, the trail of all those skin cell scent molecules might look like this with a unique color for every person. But instead of 6 unique colors like you see here, she would need to have at least 8 billion unique colors, since she can ostensibly tell everyone on the planet apart down to identical twins. Additionally, if she knew your scent and then you used a different soap for that day and tried out a new cologne, she would still know you as your exact same color. And that might seem like crazy magic, and it sort of is. But to give you some sense of how a brain might work that out, let me ask you a question. Do you recognize this person? How about this person? Or this one? We kind of think of it as no big deal, but your brain also just identified Steph Curry out of 8 billion people on this planet, which is pretty cool because our brains don't have that same unique identifying capability for, like, say, every tree or rock you meet. And furthermore, just how Zinka's nose can pinpoint me if I'm wearing a different cologne, you can still tell it's Steph Curry even if he's wearing a hat or sunglasses, or heck, even both. To continue the analogy further, the way her brain catalogs my unique scent from a sock is the equivalent of the way our brain catalogs a unique face from a missing person flyer. And to further defend the capabilities of our own species, for myth number 3, it's actually not true that across the board, we're 1,000 times worse than a dog at identifying smells. Because in a few areas, we're actually better. For example, you can practically smell this footage here, right?